gonna do, use our same 14 millimeter. Get it in there, just like that. I just broke it loose. Go ahead, take that bolt out. And while I got it loose, I'll show you. See the starter loosening up already? Alright, so let's go back up in there, take that bolt out, and we'll be right back. Alright, I got the bolt all the way out, but what I did, as you can see, I left the bolt in there, up there. Now, what we're going to do now is back the starter out, pull the nose out, and there we go. Just that quick. Alright, let's go get our new starter. Be right back.